Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. On today's video, I'll show you how I do my eyebrows. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So first, taking a spoolie, I'm brushing my brow hair to detangle it and give it a natural shape. Now I'm taking PAC Eyebrow Definer 3 colors, and first taking this color, I'm lining my brow following its natural hairline. Then using these two colors, I'm filling all the gaps into my brows. Then taking spoolie, I'm again brushing my brow hair to spread the color evenly. Then again taking this color, I'm drawing small strokes into front part of my eyebrow. Now using this color from NYX Professional Conceal Correct Contour Palette, I'm cleaning my brow edges. Then using a damp beauty blender, I'm blending it. Then using this powder, setting it. Then I'm applying NYX Professional Tinted Brow Mascara Espresso Dark Brown. Now you can see the difference between two brows. Now I will quickly do my another eyebrow. When you are doing brow, don't add too much color at once. Take time and slowly build the color. And our brow shape are not the same. So during doing brow, we also have to keep it in mind and try to make them both similar. So here is the before after look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.